So y'all, this is a video that I'm making because hopefully you guys have been informed about the banks and your money. And if you have not, you need to really be aware of the fact that people have been going to their bank and they have been reporting that their money has been missing. They have no access it. They cannot access it. And this is happening, well, this clip is just from a Bank of America. I'm not sure exactly which state, but I'm just going to do a quick little review type thing, reaction to it, because I don't have a lot of time right now. Because I was actually watching Redacted and they were talking about it as well. And this is not just happening in the US. This is happening outside of the US, and they go into depth about that. But really, right now, I'm just going to quickly show you this video. And this is only from about a month ago. So this is fairly recent. So if you don't know, you're about to find out. Here we go.
A scary day for some Bank of America customers Wednesday. They checked their accounts and found their money gone.
I missed $1,400 from my account, and they're telling me.
And this video is actually in the Redacted video as well. And I was gonna go hunting for this video, but I was like, I saw it in Redacted. I'm like, oh, that's the video. I saw that. Now listen to what he said. I'm actually gonna rewind this a little bit so you can see that. And she ends on, found out their money is gone. Okay. Now listen carefully to what this man says.
I missed $1,400 from my account, and they're telling me that there's no way they can help us. You missing money too? There you go.
It was a nationwide issue.
I get a text alert and it says my account was overdrawn.
One customer tweeted their balance of negative $2,000. Most complaints involve the payment transfer service Zelle.
I did see that what was causing my negative balance was that the Zelle transfer that I had at one time seen in my account and had received notification, it just disappeared.
Okay, so she's talking about the Zelle app. Now, keep in mind what she's saying and then what's going to be happening next. They're going to go into detail with that.
Here.
I went to see my bank account and then I saw there's $100 left.
Zelle is owned by Bank of America and 6 other banks. It issued a statement saying, "We understand that a Zelle network financial institution may have experienced issues processing some of their customers' Zelle transactions, which has now been resolved." Many customers tried to contact Bank of America customer service, but say they were unsuccessful. The bank apologized on social media, saying Zelle transactions made between January 14th and January 17th may be delayed in occurring and posting to accounts. Transfers will appear in your account as soon.
Now, do you see what they're saying here? So these people, they went to their bank to withdraw their money, and their money was missing. And then they tried to contact Bank of America that owns Zelle, the app that a lot of the people use to make transactions with their bank. But Bank of America is saying if you made any transactions between this time and this time, expect delays and everything will be resolved as soon as possible. There's no date on when they're actually going to resolve the issue. They just say as soon as possible. That's highly corrupt. Let's continue.
Possible. As of 3 p.m. Eastern, they said the problem was resolved, but did not give a reason for the disruptions. It's not the first time Zelle customers have had problems. The app...
Okay, so apparently things were resolved 3 p.m. Eastern time that day. Hopefully everybody got their money back. But this is starting to crop up and be a very reoccurring situation. So heads up to anybody. Please watch the Redacted video. It's got a lot of information in there for how you can protect yourself from this situation. A lot more information about the banks and all the banks around the globe and what the companies don't want you to know, that type of thing.
It's facing a lawsuit. Consumer advocates and lawmakers citing increasing fraud. A recent report claimed there were nearly 200,000 cases of fraudulent transactions on Zelle between 2021 and 2022.
Wow. Okay. So apparently there's been a lot of fraud with this Zelle app that is, remember, owned by Bank of America. Okay. 200,000 cases between 2021 and 2022. $200 million.
Involving more than $200 million. Some customers may face overdraft fees from yesterday's glitch.
And you didn't even take out your money. The app took out your money, owned by the bank. So the bank took out your money, and now you're facing overdraft fees for the bank's error. So what's going on? That is just, if that's not the definition of theft and corruption, then I don't know what is.
Immediate word from Bank of America on how any fees will be handled. Andrea Fuji, ABC News.
Well, that's very reassuring. There's no immediate explanation for how the fees that were accrued, collected. No. Sorry, my words today is as usual. There's no information for how they're going to be compensating people for the fees based off their own corruption. As I said, that's very reassuring indeed. So if you bank with Bank of America or any bank and you want to protect yourself, you want some information on that, go watch that video on Redacted. I'm going to paste the description, no, not the description, the link in the description below, so you guys can have access to that information. If you don't watch Redacted, please start watching Redacted. They have really good videos, very informative. They're always posting new videos like every day, so you can learn something new every day that you didn't know the day before, yada yada. In any case, that's today's video. Money. That's it.